we're probably going to try and run the stops, get the short on. That's what they did. That's the trade I took. So the trade was very straightforward. Here it was here. So you'll see from the trade, all we're doing now is we're seeing that the market maker is now pumping the stops, right? The market maker is trying to pump the stops here. Okay. A second. So we can see the market maker in the background here. They're trying to pump the buyers in because you can see there's not that many buyers. Obviously, this means it's exhaustion at the top edge. So if it's exhaustion at the top edge, if you're going to sell it, you're going to sell it on that type of trajectory, correct? We covered this in classroom yesterday. So obviously, you're sitting there with sell limits. You're sitting in this area perhaps with some sells. When the price then runs up into those sells, of course, there is a very large surge of buying. We can see that the market maker started to absorb in this area here. And obviously, they managed to get that easy money swing, made some easy cash, and that was the end of that trade. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So why did we come off the trade? Because the value went bullish, that's why. Simple as that. A lot of people think, but I thought you were short. Yeah, I was at the time, and I made money. Dumbass. There's a trade there. I mean, the value didn't come in, did it? The value never followed in behind the trade. It just went bullish, so you just get off the trade, right? Nothing hard, nothing difficult, nothing controversial, no danger of misreading what's going on. You just come off the trade and let it go nicely north, and if you can, you try and reverse for the squeeze into the paycheck. You go with the easy flow of money. Remember, the bar to get into a buy trade is a lot lower than the bar to get into a sell trade, correct? The bar to get into a buy is a lot lower than the trade to get into the sell top line. And obviously, you just get back into the buy trade when you can, because that's where the flow of cash is. If you're structurally long, if your narrative is long, it should be very easy to be long. It should be very difficult to be short selling. So it needs a lot of good stuff to line up for that short sell to work. Pretty good? I think so.